Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm featuring Spellbinder's Floral Lace Border. It's a 3-piece die set and it's designed by Marissa Job and it's part of the Special Moments collection. So what I'm doing is focusing on the longest die here, and I can just show you how that looks when it's die cut. So it consists of 5 connecting flowers. Starting with a mat of this dark pink card, which has been cut with my 6x6 Matting Basics. I've then got the pattern paper. This is again from a paper pad that we've got on the website. I've still got a tiny bit left, so I'm making sure I use all the designs that are in there. So I'm just going to mat that onto there. I've then also, from the same paper pad, I've got this gingham panel here, which I want down the centre of the card. I've gone ahead and I've cut multiples of this die. So again, the flowers. But for this one, with my trimmer, I've sliced it right through the middle. What I want to do is affix this onto the back of the panel. So we're just seeing a piece either side before I lay that straight down onto my mat. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that. That's affixed on both sides of the panel. I've used the design to gauge that it's even, and you're just seeing those little dots either side, and then just going to go in with my scissors and trim so it keeps it nice and straight along there. And then that's going to get matted onto my card base. My panel's in place, and I've also now got 2 further die cuts which I want to position, and this is going to be sort of the repetitive background for the card. So just with a little bit of liquid glue, just going to dab that on. If you have the scrapbook adhesive sheets, they work brilliantly with delicate die cuts. I'm doing this from my home today and I haven't actually got them with me, which is a shame, because if you run those through and then you get a layer of adhesive on the reverse, which just is fantastic for these little delicate ones. So on either side, put those into position. So that's the base of my card with the background done. I've just gone in and trimmed those bottom ones there. And now I want to make some embellishments. So I'm using the flowers that come with the A2 corner cotillion die set. And I'm just going to use some Victorian Velvet Distress inks. I like to use 3 layers for the flowers. So once I've coloured them with the Distress inks, I go into the reverse and I'm just going to shape them with my ball tools. This is actually a Sugarcraft tool that I bought ages ago. So that's on the reverse side. Once it's curled, I flip it over and then I'm just going to push down. And that gives me that nice shape that's coming upwards. I'm going to do that to each one and then layer them up and fix them with glue. And then they have got a hole in the middle, so you can insert stamens if you wish, but I came across these really nice little enamel dots, so I'm going to use those. So they do have little holes in the middle, so you can insert stamens if you wish, but I came across these little enamel dots, so I'm going to use those. My 3 flowers are prepared. I've got a tiny sentiment at the bottom here with a little oval die cut. Just going to put a 3D foam square on there and then pop that into place. And I have also got these leaves, which are actually like rose leaves, which I've again used some Distress ink with green. Popping into place that last flower, so you've got a nice cluster there. And then I'm just going to mount that onto my 6x6 card base. So my finished design, just a reminder, the die set that I've used here for the background is Floral Lace Border. It's from the Special Moments collection for Spellbinders. And the flowers are from the A2 corner cotillion die. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you subscribe and leave a comment, then we pick out a winner and this card will be yours. Thanks again. Take care now.